ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமஹ. ஸ்ரீமத் வரவரமுனையே நமஹ. ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். Now I am going to render the meaning of fourth shloka from Purva Dinacharya. Parshvatah pani padmabhyam parigruhya bhavat priyau vinyasyantam shanairangri mrudulau medini tale is the shloka. In this shloka, Yerumbiyappa actually explains how Manavala Mamunigal was holding two of his Priya Shishya's hand and was walking towards the portico. In the first shloka, Yerumbiyappa describes and also prays to Manavala Mamunigal. It is actually a Mangala shloka. It is a matter of invocation. In that shloka, he says that Manavala Mamunigal is residing at Srirangam. In the second shloka, he talks about Manavala Mamunigal coming out of his Sriman Mandiram, that is his matam, when Yerumbiyappa was about to enter the matam, he was able to have the view of Manavala Mamunigal just coming forward from the deep inside of the matam. In the third shloka, he actually hails the greatness of the Tirumeni of Manavala Mamunigal. It is about the Tirumeni, and it is very important for any Sishya to praise and always have the Tirumeni of Acharya being meditated within him. So, it is the Tirumeni that is more important in third shloka. So, he actually talks about the greatness of Manavala Mamunigal Tirumeni as a Sishya. In the fourth shloka, so what happens? In the first shloka, he told that Manavala Mamunigal resides on Srirangam. And in the second shloka, he actually explained how Manavala Mamunigal just comes out. In the third shloka, he was able to have the clear view of Mamunigal Tirumeni, and he was explaining how the combination of his color, that is the white color of his shariram, that is his Tirumeni, and the kashayam, the combination, how does it look like? It is looking like the early morning rising sun. That's how it describes. In the fourth shloka, he talks about how Manavala Mamunigal comes out. He was holding two of his great Shishya's hands in both of his hands, from both of his hands, his side. On one side, he was the great Koilannan Swami. On the other side, he was his brother Srinivasa Guru Swami. This is what Tirumizhi Annavappangar Swami explains. So, when both the hands were looking like Pani Padmabhyam, both hands were looking like the lotus flower, and it was like he holding with his hands, and it was looking like both the hands were lotus, and he was holding the hands of his Priya Shishya. So like that, slowly Manavala Mamunigal walks towards the portico by holding the hands of two of his Priya Sishyas. So, this reminds us of an incident or an episode from Mahabharata where Lord Krishna, while actually going as a mediator, when he went as a mediator between Pandavas and Kauravas in the